My name is Makiko Harris. I'm a visual contemporary artist. The color red is very symbolic for me. Traditionally, the color that temples were painted in Japan, that shade was created using crushed beni flowers, and the color is considered very positive, good luck, fertile, beautiful. And at the time, that same shade of red was created using mercury in the West, so it was considered violent, aggressive. It's the same color. Similarly, as a biracial person growing across cultures and in between countries, depending on where I'm placed, I feel like my surface as red is different, and how I'm categorized by other people is different. Scale is definitely something that I employ in my work. Oftentimes I'm taking either crops of intimate scenes and expanding them, or dismembering elements and enlarging them so that they take up a different type of space and have a different relationship to the viewer's body. That taking up of space, I think, is an essential part of the message of the work. London at night is very inspiring for me. I think nightlife is oftentimes where people first feel free to express their own theater of their own identity. That's a beautiful thing, and we see so many different ways that people express that here in London. I've been playing violin since I was 4 years old. The big thing that it taught me was discipline. Knowing how to practice, knowing how to prepare for performance. So I take that discipline with me into my practice now as an artist. Claw is a hanging sculpture of 15 powder-coated red stiletto fingernails, traditionally thought of as this really hyper-feminine or sensual thing, but then when you take just that thing, I think it becomes a little uncanny and grotesque, where the viewer has to confront them and think about their relationship to this object. The process of art making for me is a process of polishing myself as well, getting to know myself better, processing emotion, processing the world around me, and putting it into a tangible object. So in many ways, it's my way of communicating, as well as my way of understanding myself.